Hey Doug, it's time for another chopped cheese showdown.
Oh, hey Michael. Just here hanging out in St. Louis, getting some gas. Oh, chopped cheese showdown, you say? All right, we can do that. Yeah, just trying to get my gas and get out of here. It's a little crazy here in St. Louis, but yeah, I'll see you with the chopped cheese.
Doug, I hope you're bringing your A game, because I'm going to make a Greek chopped cheese that is worthy of the gods.
Michael, unfortunately, I left the A game inside. We're bringing out the B game for bacon. We're doing the bacon, lettuce, tomato, chopped cheese.
Yeah, you saw it. Doug and I are working on another round of chopped cheese sandwiches. All of the variations so far have been fantastic, so I have no doubt this one will be too. So just like the other chopped cheese episodes I did, first thing we got to do is get the buns going. So the buns go onto the grill.
Wrong. The little griddle who could.
With a weight on top of them. I'm not trying to get the inside crispy. I'm trying to flatten them out a little bit, not squish them. We're not making paninis here. Get them squished a little bit and get them crisped up. So get that on there, press them down a little bit, keep the weight on there, let them go for about 3 minutes per side. That's it. All right, the bread is inside in the oven on warm. Now it's time to get the meat done. It's time for the chopping of the chopped cheese. And yes, I'm trying out my brand new Insta360 Go 3S camera. So should have some different shots for this one. So onto our griddle, which I didn't mention before. I have this side on medium heat, this side on low heat. So down goes our pound of ground lamb and our pound of ground beef. Chop those out a little bit, get some surface area going on. And we'll go ahead and add our diced red onions at this point. And our Spiceology's Greek Freak seasoning. And we'll keep chopping and mixing that up. Smelling amazing already, let's make it better. Adding our garlic, minced. Adding our fire roasted red bell peppers. And our smoked Kalamata olives. All right, hey, Doug, how's your cook going?
Oh, Michael, you ask? How's my chopped cheese doing? It's looking beautiful. Bacon's getting crisped up. While we're at it, Michael, one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, but we're going to put some white American on it. I mean, chopped cheese, you got to have some cheese, right? So let's get that on there. All right, Michael, this is going to come together jiffy quick. I'll hit you back up with how it's doing.
All right, most of the pink from the meat is gone, so let's start adding our cheese. In goes our feta cheese. And our shredded provolone. I'm going to shut this and let that melt for just a second when I run back inside and grab my vessel, if you will, for the sandwich guts. All right, now we get back to chopping and get that all mixed up. All right, I'm happy with that. Cheese is melted, all the pink's gone. Now let's get inside and make some sandwiches. By the way, these Halo spatulas with a scoop, oh, they're so perfect, especially for something like this. Work great with fried rice too. All right, inside we go. All righty, let's construct ourselves a sandwich. So we're going to take our bun and open it up. Then we're going to lay down a layer of tzatziki sauce. Next, a couple of thinly diced tomatoes.
Slice.
Thinly sliced tomatoes. Thank you, director. Next, the reason that the director is not the judge today, some thinly sliced cucumbers. Oh, she don't like them.
No.
But she likes pickles.
Inconceivable.
Explain to me in the comments why that is.
Totally different tasting animals.
Oh, well, allow me to retort.
Now we're going to get our wonderful meat on top of it. And voila, we have our Greek chopped cheese. So now we shall bring in our judge, Sydney, to tell us how we did.
It looks really good.
All right, it's pretty. There's 1 point. So as she's chewing, because she ain't gonna eat with her mouth full, because she's a good girl. Hey, I want to remind you, if you need more of the Galley of the Sun, check out our Facebook page. Check out our Patreon page. Or check out our Amazon storefront. All sorts of neat stuff there. All right, so.
It was really good. I like the flavor. The garlic comes through really well. If you like a gyro, you'll really like this. It's really easy at home. It has a lot of the same flavors. It's really good.
Awesome. There you go. Doug, how'd yours turn out? I can't wait to see.
All right, Michael, you wonder how that turned out? This thing turned out great. Just took a bite of it. Got that crispy bacon inside there in the middle. Nice lettuce, tomato, Miracle Whip. I love Miracle Whip. Don't hate. Michael, can't wait to see how yours turned out. I like that Greek concept. I love tzatziki. I love gyro, so I know it's going to be a win.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.